Hi crafty friends, I'm Michelle Zarel. Today we're going to put together our Valentine Love bag. It's super easy, super fast, and super cute. So let's go ahead and get started. The bag portion itself comes in one piece. So go ahead, cut that out, and then just fold your pieces inward like I did. When it gets to the edge pieces, you can see here you're going to want to make a valley fold here and on here. So just kind of go ahead and push that in. See, there you go. It's going to kind of want to go by itself. So just go ahead and let it. All right, so once you have all your pieces cut and folded, let's assemble it. To put it together is really quite easy. We're going to add glue to this piece right here. Okay. Let it get a good. Now we're going to turn it over and close up the bottom. Put your end pieces here in first. We're going to add some glue. This is a project that would also work well with a dry adhesive. I don't know if I would use the tape runner. That might not hold. Some of the treats could get kind of heavy. So make sure you have a glue that you're comfortable using. Okay, I'm going to stick my hand inside here, push the inside down, make sure we have a nice, secure seal. There we go. Look how fun that was. Okay, now let's go ahead and put together the little love portion of the bag. To make the love portion, you're going to have 4 pieces. Let's go ahead and start with the top layer. Put some glue on the back. It's much easier to put the glue on the back of this piece. Then we're going to attach it to here. If you just put glue all over, it's going to seep through your holes and that won't look very good. So just line these up and go ahead and press down. There we go. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put the glue on the back of here. And we're going to attach it to the next piece. Almost done. Let's go ahead and add some glue to the back of here. And we're going to add it to our scalloped heart. All right, there we go. You can see the little scallops go all the way around. Oh, let's add some more glue to there. There we go.